Hey, this is Steve here, working on my wife's 2014 Town & Country. My dog decided to chew the seatbelt up, so I'm replacing that today. And since I didn't see a video online on how to do it, I'm going to put one on here. So this little thing, this little cover right here, you can just use a flathead screwdriver or one of those old trim tools. Just little clips all over. Get the bottom ones off first and the top slides out. And the B-post trim, all you auto workers probably know how to take that off, and a lot of mechanics do, but you know what? Not everybody does, so I'm going to show you how. There's a little button on these fans to open the sliding door. Well, on some of them, it goes right here. So if you pull that out, it just simply pops out with a flathead screwdriver. Just pry it on the side, it'll pop out real easy. Disconnect the cord right there. And then just use a flathead and it's got little clips that'll pop. Also make sure that these bottom door sill covers pop up, because those do clip onto that B-post cover. And that's about it for that. This little sucker right here goes right here. And all you do is you pull on that one just a little bit, pop that one out a little bit, stick a screwdriver flathead right here, and it pops up just like that. No special tools needed for that also. And if you don't have a set like this, it's really good to have them because they're really handy. I'm using the T50 size Torx bit to remove that one on the top of the B-post and this one on the seat. And so let me get this done and I'll show you how to put everything back together. And you know what? I forgot to tell you about this one. Right here. There's one right there. T50. Unplug that. Unplug that yellow one. And the whole assembly should come off. Alright, so I'm going to get back to work. I'll show you guys how to put it back together in a minute. Alright, so I'm working on this seat belt again. Got that part off. And actually down here it's just a yellow plug that you have to unplug. Got that side off. Went to go take this off and I didn't realize that there was a screw back here. But, easy fix. It's a T30 Torx bit. So just doing a little heads up for you. And here's the comparison. It used to be a 9AG from the factory, but they do a lot of changing of the numbers. So when I called up the Chrysler dealership, they gave me a 9AH. They said that was the new number. So if you guys get that, don't worry, it's normal. Alright, Steve back. Got it all connected. And down here, now we're just going to start slipping all these little plastic pieces on. And like I said, they just clip on, so it's no big deal. But for some people, they get anxious. So So it's always a good idea just to show somebody. There we go. That's all on. Clipped in by hand. This one just slides in. Clipped in by hand. And this one see if I can get this on one-handed. And see, like I said, these door sill covers actually snap onto it right there. So, oh, gotta run that through there. Before I forget. That's for that to open the door. I'm going to line up the hose correctly. It'll go in. There we go. And then you put this seal on before I put that on. Alright. Alright, there we go. Just a little elbow grease, but anybody can do it. Can't even tell I put one in there. Those all clip on, just push them down. And here's that little switch I was talking about. And that literally just sits like that. Alright. So don't be scared. Try it out. Man, woman, teenager, midlife crisis person, old guy, old woman. There's a lot of stuff you can do in this world by yourself. You don't have to pay some mechanic a lot of freaking money to do that. I got an estimate to do it from the dealership. They wanted about 800 bucks. I paid 200 bucks for the seatbelt right from the dealership. It was about the same price as it was online, because then they wanted to charge me all kinds of money for online shipping. But in the end, I saved me and my wife 600 bucks by doing it myself. So, you guys have a good day and wish you luck with your project.